Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is guarantee of profit to a partner. This is profit and loss appropriation account we will prepare, and where we will ensure that one partner will be given a guarantee of profit. So we will see how this guarantee of profit will be calculated and incorporated, or will be done in the profit and loss appropriation. So you can see there is a question we were discussing today. A, B, C and D, 4 partners are there, and they are sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Okay, which means that A will be sharing 4/10, B 3/10, C 2/10 and D 1/10. Okay, so this will be the profit sharing ratio. Now the capital have been given as on 1st April 2017. The capital are given. The A is 3 lakh, B is 2,50,000, C is 1,50,000, while D is 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now D share of profit excluding interest and capital. See, remember, excluding means without interest and capital, which means that there is an interest and capital to be given. If you don't take interest and capital, then D share of profit, last partner, D share of profit is guaranteed by the firm to be not less than 2,50,000. That firm means all the partners A, B and C other than D, because D has been given a guarantee. So D's profit is ensured at 2,50,000. He will get 2,50,000. If there is any shortage of 2,50,000, that is, if suppose he gets 2,50,000 shortage, that 50,000 will be met by A, B and C in their respective ratio, that is 4:3:2. Okay. Similarly, C share of profit including interest on capital and salary is guaranteed by only A. Only partner A has guaranteed that C share of profit will be not less than 2,60,000. But this profit will be calculated by taking interest on capital that C will get and salary that C will get. Salary, capital plus the profit total should be 2,60,000 minimum. If that is not 2,60,000, then the shortage will be given by A. A will bear the shortage. A will have to contribute that shortage, and he will give it to C. So this is the guarantee. Okay, the profit for the year ending 31st March is given as 9 lakh before interest on capital and salary. Okay, so before interest on capital and salary to C, 10,000 per month. You have to prepare P&L appropriation. Okay, so before profit only we require. Okay, so before appropriation, profit has to be taken. So see here, profit and loss appropriation has been prepared, where you can see that in the credit side, as usual, the profit 9 lakh has been posted. Okay, now as per the agreement, it is given that 10% interest on capital has to be given. So all partners 10%. So you can see A's 10% comes to 30,000, B 25,000, C 15,000 and D 10,000. Similarly, salary to C has been given 1,20,000, 10,000 into 12 per month 10,000. So 12 months is 1,20,000. So total you can see 80,000 interest on capital plus 1,20,000 is the salary. Total 2 lakhs has been appropriated. So remaining 9 lakh profit minus this 80 plus 20, 2 lakh, if you deduct, 7 lakh is remaining. This is profit. Now this has been to be distributed in the ratio 4:3:2:1. Now you can see that A has got original, that is 4/10 profit out of 7 lakh. 7 lakh into 4/10, he has got 2,80,000 as his profit. Similarly, B got 2,10,000 as his profit. Similarly, C got 1,40,000 as his profit, and D got 70,000 as profit. This is the actual profit. Okay. Now we have to see whether the guaranteed amount that C and D has been given, whether they have got that or not. Okay. Okay, whether the guaranteed amount has been provided to the partner or not. Okay, first let us see last D. So you can see that D has got only 70,000 as profit, but he has been guaranteed 2,50,000 by the firm, means all partners have guaranteed. So you can see shortage of 1,80,000, 70,000, but guarantee is 2,50,000. So 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 deficiency will be borne by all the partners in the respective ratio, that is 4:3:2:1. So you can see in case of A, the A has borne rupees 80,000 in respect of D. Similarly, B has borne 60,000 and C has borne 40,000. So this 80 plus 60 plus 40, this 1,80,000 has been given to D. Okay, understood? And similarly, C has also been guaranteed a profit of rupees 2,60,000. Okay, but this profit will include his salary, interest on capital, and the profit sharing. Okay, so C has already contributed 40,000 for D, and remaining is 1 lakh. If you add, you can see the working notes here. Number 2, okay, C's deficiency for 1 lakh 40 was the actual profit. 40,000 he has contributed in favor of D, so 1 lakh is remaining. Interest on capital 15,000 he got. Salary he got 1 lakh 20, so total 1 lakh 35. Profit 1 lakh, 1 lakh 35, 2 lakh 35 he has already received, including profit and salary and interest on capital. Total 2 lakh 60 should be ensured. So 2 lakh 35 he has got. 25,000 is shortage for 2 lakh 60, so that will be given by A. So A will contribute that amount. Okay, understood? Okay, the C has been guaranteed 2 lakh 60, but that 2 lakh 60 is including profit plus salary plus interest on capital, including all. C originally 1 lakh 40 C got. After that, C has contributed 40,000 to D, because all partners have to give the contribution in shortage of D. So remaining profit is 1 lakh. Now profit he got 1 lakh, salary he got 1 lakh 20, interest he got 1 lakh 15, sorry, only 15,000. So total comes to 2 lakh 35. Shortage of 25,000 is now borne by the partner A. Only A has guaranteed C. So you can again see, have a understanding, or you can again see the profit and loss appropriation. Understand that here D has been guaranteed 2 lakh 50, okay, excluding all, except only profit 2 lakh 50. He got only 70,000. Shortage of 1 lakh 80 was borne by 3 partners in their respective ratio, 4:3:1. Okay, that's over. Now next comes C's guarantees. Okay, C has been guaranteed an amount of 2 lakh 60, but that 2 lakh 60 is profit plus his interest on capital plus his salary. Okay, so he got a profit of, original profit of 1 lakh 40. He has contributed 40,000 for D, so remaining profit is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is his profit he got. Now his interest 15,000 on capital plus salary 1 lakh 20 comes to 2 lakh 35. Okay, 1 lakh plus 15,000 plus 1 lakh 20. Now shortage 25,000 is now borne by A. A has only personally guaranteed. So 25,000 is again deducted from A, and that amount has been given to C. And now see, the final profit is given. Okay, final distribution 1 lakh 75, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 25, 2 lakh 50. So this is the question of guarantee of profit to a partner. Okay, understand the question. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp or in online classes. Okay, we will start an WebEx meeting today. Okay, please all of you join the meeting, and we will discuss this question only. If you have any doubt, we will discuss this question in the WebEx meeting, plus see the answer, see the question, and try to understand. Okay, so thank you for now. Have a nice